Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 17 or later and is signed into your Apple ID. Enable Face ID or set a passcode now to authorize Apple Pay purchases and settings changes. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network so card verification completes without interruption. Open the Settings app and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. If you prefer the Wallet app, open it instead to view existing cards and set up options. To add a new card, open the Wallet app and tap the plus icon at the top right. Follow on-screen steps to scan the card or enter numbers and complete bank verification. To set your default card, open Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, and tap Default Card to choose one. Removing a card uses the three dots menu on the card detail screen and taps Remove Card to delete it from Apple Pay. Enable double-click side button in Settings to use Apple Pay quickly at checkout with Face ID. Turn on transaction notifications to receive real-time alerts and receipts for each payment you make. Use the Express Transit setting for transit cards to tap and go without authentication when supported. Also review shipping address, contact information, and billing address within Wallet and Apple Pay to ensure correct defaults for purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.